That's where Peter Biller has a computer. Computer is measure measures why the fuse box is under there. Fuse box is measures the truck. There is the computer ECM, PCM, ECT, power modulator, arki kartaa all of them. Waxay meesha ku qoran magaca waa akhrin kartaa oo arkaysaa. All this information meesha ku soo yani a big truck, giant one, has two sleep back there, one up there, one lower here, stick shift. So Allah. Qaybta guudka waa kaas hore kor